Hey guys, don't expect the bears, aka the short sellers, to go down without a fight. Okay, we did have a slightly lighter than expected inflation reading today with CPI, which was great because a lot of people expected higher. But the bears will argue, and it's a good point, that it will take time for these tariffs to be felt in the economy, right? Because they were just implemented, and remember, in April, right? April 2nd is when more tariffs go into effect, okay? So this is going to be a kangaroo market, guys. I don't know if you've heard this term before. We all know the bull market, we know the bear market, but a kangaroo market is where it bounces up and down continuously, okay? And so that's why it's best to get away from your account. Okay, if you're holding long term, it doesn't matter, remember, what the stock price is now anyways. But you're gonna drive yourself crazy if you're looking at the market, seeing it go up a little, and then you get your hopes up, and then it goes right back down. And then it goes up again, and then it goes right back down. So just remember that, guys. That's what you can expect over the next quarter because of the uncertainties over Trump. And remember, confidence has been lost for right now, okay? And it takes time to rebuild investor confidence. But remember, investors will come back to where the growth is, even though there's rotation constantly. And right now we know people are rotating into, dividend stocks, and there's a lot of short sellers out there right now. But do remember, investors will come back to where the growth is, and that's everything revolving around AI. And remember, when short sellers eventually do close their positions, they have to buy the stock. It's called a buy to cover. So a short squeeze will happen at some point. And again, this will probably be, where you get those huge days where I said if you miss the top 10 trading days, right, your portfolio returns long-term are cut in half. And so that's why it's best to just stay in the market. And like I said, buy on the dips like we're doing in the Millionaire Maker stock portfolio. Again, these are the big theme names. We're never second guess that, guys. These are gonna win out in the end, okay? So just wait it out. Like I said, get away from your account if you need to. And I'm here to help you, be a coach to help you get through these tough times, guys, okay? Because we're gonna see this down the road too. Don't think it's just, right, with what's going on now. There will be something else down the road too, I'm sure, where we'll have to handle another dip. You guys know every time I come out and say buy into the fear, right? It's hard. And like I said, you don't have to buy, like I said, don't put it all in at once when it's falling, right? Some people like to buy when it's going back up. If you see a good reversal with buying volume, but it's hard to time the bottom. So you guys know, because I don't care, it's 5+ years, I like to buy dollar cost average a slightly bigger block of shares as these stocks are going down. And then eventually the bottom hits and we come out of it. But you can also wait until you see some upward momentum, until it breaks some resistance levels, right? This is that kind of market where if you want to be sure to see some follow through, okay, you can also do it that way. We're a little bit of both, so it's your call. But remember, guys, focus on the 5 years plus, guys. If you truly are holding for 5+ years with me, then it doesn't matter what the stock price is today. It doesn't matter what it is next year, even 3 years from now, okay? Remember that. So that's why then if your mindset changes to that, and like I said, you have cash on the sidelines, that's the key. I understand if you have all your money in there, then there's more worrying involved, right? Because you don't have cash to deploy. But that's why I say dollar cost average slowly. So if you have cash sitting on the sidelines, then you can get excited for these dips along the way, right? So just wanted to point that out, guys. But expect the kangaroo market, expect the bottoming process to take some time. This isn't going to be the V-shaped recovery we saw during the pandemic.